Hey guys, how's it going tonight? It is 2025 and it is time to start our closet clean out challenge. So if you are new to Fashion Crossroads and the store, then this is something that we do annually. I have developed this closet clean out system. Used to be 4 parts, now it's 5 parts. And I do it every year on my own closet. I've taught it in Wednesday wardrobing now for probably 4 years. And it's just a great way to get a really organized, functional closet. There is nothing worse than going to your closet in the morning and having it look like this, right? Everything's mixed up. There's no organization. The sweaters are with the tank tops, are with the pants, are with the jeans, are with the dresses, are with the jackets, with the coats. And this is not inspiring. When you go into your closet in the morning and you are looking at trying to put an outfit together, not only is this not inspiring, it's disorganized. It takes more time for you to go through this and pick out an outfit. And it's frustrating too. And we don't need any more frustration in the mornings. We need to walk into a closet that makes us go feel inspired, that makes us be able to put new things together so we aren't just recycling the same outfits over and over and over again. And what I'm going to teach you, if you have never done it, it will do that for you. You are going to have such an organized closet that you will find that you are matching brand new things that you've never matched before. You're seeing outfit possibilities that you've never seen before. And you are going to love your closet. And you're going to love getting dressed in the morning because it's going to be so much less stressful. All right, so welcome to the Closet Cleanout Challenge of 2025. So we have a new part of this year, and most of you know that we are a strategic partner with Dress for Success, and our local affiliate of Dress for Success. Dress for Success is an international charity. It focuses on getting work clothing to women who can't afford it. It's an amazing charity. I'm on the board, and as a business, I have partnered with Dress for Success. And you're going to see that partnership working in my business in multiple ways. But for this Closet Cleanout Challenge, we've created a special night for you. So how it's going to work, if you participate in the Closet Cleanout Challenge, when we get to week 3, that is the time that we go through and we really kind of take a hard look at what we haven't worn. And I have this like 10 question list that I'm going to teach you to apply to everything that you haven't worn for the last year, to help you make those hard decisions about, should I get rid of this or should I not get rid of this? So we really kind of delve into the psychology behind hanging on to clothes and all of the various, justifications that we tell ourselves about why we're not getting rid of things. So that's week 3. And at the end of that week, from that week until the end of the series, so for 2 weeks, I'm going to encourage you to be making your donation pile for Dress for Success. So setting aside any of your work appropriate clothing for Dress for Success and donating it to Dress for Success. Now, the incentive for you to do that I'm going to give you is, if you do that and you're part of the Closet Cleanout Challenge, then you are going to get a $1 credit for every clothing item. Sorry, I can't do accessories. I want you to donate accessories, but I'm not going to do credit for accessories. So $1 credit for every clothing item, business appropriate clothing item that you donate to Dress for Success, up to $20. So you can get $20 of in-store credit for donating 20 items of business professional or business appropriate clothing to Dress for Success. Then the week that we finish, so week 5, we're going to have a special VIP night, a private party. The only way you get invited is if you donated to Dress for Success, whether you donated 1 piece or 20 pieces, but it was part of the Closet Cleanout Challenge. Then you're going to get an invitation to this private party where you get to come and spend your credit and also learn about Dress for Success as a charity and how you might be able to get involved if you're looking for a great place to serve in the community that's really, really helping a lot of people. We're going to have wine, we're going to have hors d'oeuvres, it's going to be fun, it's going to be after hours. So we're going to close the doors and just let the ladies that are invited to this event to come in, shop, learn about Dress for Success, and have a little fun and girls' night time. All right? So that's the big incentive, the big carrot for you to go through this process, stick with it till the end, get through the donation phase, make your donation piles, I'm gonna just take this to Salvation Army. These I might try to, sell on like ThreadUp or something. These I'm gonna donate to Dress for Success. Make your donation piles in week 3 and then take advantage of that credit that I'm offering you. All right? So super excited. All right, so first step is we gotta make sense of this mess. And this step will take some time. So give yourself about an hour in your closet. If you have multiple closets in multiple different places, what I'm going to suggest is that you try to organize your multiple closets by these categories. So that'll make more sense when I'm done talking here. But if you have a little bit in here and a little bit in there and a little bit in there, then I'm going to suggest we try to pick a category for a closet or a couple categories for a closet so that there's some organization. If you have both summer and winter in your closet, you're going to do this, you're going to separate your clothes by season, and you're going to do this for each season. So some people, you pull out your summer clothes in the winter and you put them in bins, or you put them in another closet and then you switch it up in winter. Some people like me, I just have everything, all seasons in my own closet. So that is another piece that makes closets really confusing, is when you have multiple seasons, multiple styles, all mixed together in one big conglomeration. So we're gonna do this by season. But this is what I want you to do. We are going to separate things by category. So what I want you to do, I want you to start with, and I want you to take a look at this mess, because it's going to look totally different by the time we're done with this organization process. So we're going to grab all of our tank tops, and we're going to start by putting those at the front. So again, you'll do this for each season that you have in your closet. So you may have only tank tops in for your summer stuff, or you may have tank tops that are more wintry colors. So you're gonna separate those two and do it in 2 different places. I'm just gonna do it once just to show you the concept. Okay, so we'll start with our tank tops. Next, we're gonna pull out our short sleeve shirts. And that looks like I only have 2 short sleeve shirts in here. Give myself a little room. And we're gonna next, after our tank tops, we're gonna put our short sleeve t-shirts next. All right, after that, we're gonna pull our long sleeve knit tops. So not sweaters, but knit. So something like this. Could be sweatshirts, could be lightweight knits, something like this. Those are gonna go next. So we're gonna pull all those. And I usually put my sweatshirts with my sweaters. Here's another long sleeve knit. Here's another long sleeve knit. Here's another long sleeve knit. So we're gonna get all of our long sleeve knits. Oh, I've missed a short sleeve. So here's a short sleeve mock neck top. I'm gonna put that with my short sleeves. Okay, next you're gonna do your sweaters. My sweaters and my sweatshirts. Oh, here's a long sleeve top that I missed. So you are going to probably have this same thing happen. You're gonna probably find that you have to go back through or you will miss stuff. So we're pulling our sweaters and sweatshirts next. I think maybe would make a little bit more sense is before you put your sweatshirts and sweaters, do your blouses. So you've got you're kind of going, in some way you're kind of going from lighter to heavier fabrics. So I'm going to pull my blouses. So I have these 3 blouses. I'm going to pull those, and those are going to go after my long sleeve knits, but before my sweatshirts and sweaters. All right. So now you can see already this is making a whole lot more sense. I've got my sleeveless, my short sleeve, my long sleeve knits, my blouses. And if you have short sleeve blouses, you're going to want to do the same thing. You're going to do short sleeve first. No, you're going to want to put your short sleeve blouses up with your short sleeve t-shirts. You want to keep your sleeve lengths together. That's really important. Okay. So next, I would probably do my jackets. So I've got these 2 jackets. I've got a cute little denim jacket, a cute little corduroy jacket. I'm going to do those next. And so now, pretty much all I have left in here are dresses and bottoms. All right, so next, I'm going to start with my shortest bottoms. And I'm going to go from my shortest bottoms to my longest bottoms, and then I'm going to categorize them. So I'm going to start with my cropped bottoms first. So I have 2 pairs of cropped bottoms here. So I've got these 2 jeans that are cropped length. Okay, so those are going to go first. So just like your sleeveless tops, you're going to start with your shortest length pants. Then I'm going to go with my next longest length pant. And I'm going to try to keep my jeans together and my slacks together. So the reason for that is because jeans and slacks are worn usually in different circumstances. So if it's a work day, you might just be going to your slack section and you don't want to have to fiddle through a bunch of jeans to find your slacks. So I've got my jeans sorted shortest to longest, and then my slacks sorted shortest to longest. Here's another pair of jeans. I'm going to stick that in here. And then I've got my slacks, my 2 pairs of slacks here. Now I've got this one kind of random pair of sweatpants. So probably what I would do with that is stick it with these cropped jeans in the front. And the reasoning behind that is likely if I'm doing something cropped, I'm going to have a certain kind of shoe that I'm going to want to wear with that. And so all my crop things together is going to make that shoe choice piece easier. So now I've got everything organized. So I've got tank tops, short sleeves, long sleeve knits, blouses, sweaters and sweatshirts, jackets, cropped bottoms, jeans together, slacks together, and last, dresses. And with your dresses, both of the dresses that I picked because it's winter right now have long sleeves. But with your dresses, you're going to want to do the same thing. You're going to want to start with your sleeveless dresses, then move to your short sleeve dresses, then your long sleeve dresses, and then organize them from shortest to longest within each of those categories. Okay? So I know this is like OCD closet organization, but I promise you it is going to make it so much easier for you to do every other step that we're going to do. We're even going to evaluate our closet based upon color. when we're done with step 2, we're going to be able to look at our closet and see very quickly what we have too much of, what we don't have enough of, what color we seem to really like a lot, what color we don't have at all but we need. And it's going to be super easy in step 5 to create a shopping list for what it is that you're missing and what it is that you want to not buy anymore because you already have enough. Okay, so stick with me through this process. It works. It's really good. And I want you guys to stick with me through the whole 5 videos because I want to hear testimonies and I want to see before and after pictures. So please take a before picture before every single step. So take a picture, go in your closet, take a picture of your closet. I want you to post it on our Facebook page. Let us see those closets. I'm going to do the same. I'm doing this with my closet. I'll show you what my closet looks like. I want to see the before picture and the after picture of this step. And then next week when we do color organization, I want to see the before picture and the after picture. You are going to be amazed at how much better your closet is. All right? If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments and I will get back to you on answers to those questions. You guys have a great night.